from the investment banking side, it can be a very iterative process within the realm of healthcare and biotech, where similar strategies are applied time and time again with M&A or with fundraising and so forth. But within the strategy, there's so much detail within pharma and biotech that is often overlooked, that you tend to deep dive into when you do strategy consulting, that the day-to-day nature of projects and the day-to-day nature of tasks is, in my opinion, more varied. And it also, you get to the level of granularity where you're not necessarily dealing with the C-suite who has a very high-level overview of the whole situation. You're dealing with, the head of market access for oncology. You're dealing with the head of commercial planning for rheumatology. So you're going deep within the strategy, but also deep within the science.